In a bold move to bolster its presence in the North American financial landscape, Scotiabank has announced it will purchase a significant minority stake in KeyCorp. This deal, valued at approximately $2.8 billion, will see the Canadian banking giant acquire 14.9% of the Cleveland-based regional. The purchase price is set at $17.17 per share, which represents an 11% premium over KeyCorp's recent trading average. Scotiabank, headquartered in Toronto, is known for its expansive international reach, with much of its overseas focus historically concentrated in Latin America. However, following a reassessment of its global investments, the bank has decided to redirect its efforts towards North America and the Caribbean. This strategic shift is aimed at improving returns and capitalizing on more stable markets. KeyCorp, which operates around 1,000 branches across the United States and manages assets totaling approximately $187 billion, has been recovering from the turbulence that affected many U.S. regional banks last year. Amid rising interest rates and increased pressure on smaller lenders, KeyCorp's stock has struggled, experiencing a 16% decline since the beginning of 2023. The investment from Scotiabank is expected to enhance KeyCorp's financial flexibility and growth prospects. The deal will be executed in two phases: an initial $800 million investment to acquire a 4.9% stake, followed by a $2 billion investment to increase Scotiabank's stake to 14.9%. The final stage of the transaction is anticipated to conclude in fiscal 2025, subject to approval from the U.S. Federal Reserve. Scotiabank's CEO, Scott Thomson, expressed enthusiasm about the potential of this strategic partnership. He highlighted that the investment aligns with the bank's goal of focusing on its priority markets and expanding its presence in the U.S., a move that diverges from the traditional methods employed by its peers in the banking sector. Analysts have had mixed reactions to the news. Some view this as an innovative approach for Scotiabank to gain a foothold in the U.S. market, which has seen other Canadian banks, like the Royal Bank of Canada and Toronto Dominion Bank, also making significant acquisitions. Jefferies Financial Group Inc. analyst John Aiken has noted that, while this move is unexpected, its success will largely depend on the strategic execution and the support from Scotiabank's shareholders. On the other hand, KeyCorp CEO Chris Gorman is optimistic about the partnership. He believes that this deal will not only boost KeyCorp's capital position, but also open doors for future collaborations, especially in areas like investment banking and wealth management, leveraging Scotiabank's extensive network in North America. So, Scotiabank's investment in KeyCorp is a strategic maneuver aimed at strengthening its position in the North American market and navigating the challenges faced by the U.S. banking sector. As the deal progresses, it will be closely watched by investors and analysts to gauge its impact on both institutions and the broader banking landscape. Stay subscribed for more videos.